Well, First Alert Weather Day continues for your President's Day as wind and snow creating very tricky travel conditions across the region. Illustrated here, I-29 near Drayton. You can barely see the road surface, which is iced over. Speaking of iced over, I-94 near Castleton looks like a skating rink with a persistent stream, if you will, of powdery snow drifting across the interstate as well. So travel, if you can stay home at all tonight, do so. It does present challenges. Now, Wednesday and the Thursday, our next First Alert Weather Days, you want to be home and safe where you're going to be 3 to 6 o'clock in the evening. It'll be late when things move up from the south, and this system will impact mainly our southern counties. In the far north, lower impacts will be there, although you will see some wind and lighter snow amounts. More on that in a second. Extreme snow for anyone traveling south. I-94 and Highway 10 and points south will be the target of this storm. But extreme snow in South Dakota through the Twin Cities. So anyone wanting to travel out there to cheer on your local hockey teams that have made the state tournaments, be advised it's going to be very wintry out there. So light accumulations continue tonight in addition to the 1 to 5 that has already been reported. Some will see more snow for the day tomorrow, then Wednesday into Thursday. That Colorado low brings some ridiculous snowfall potential, and dare I say 1 to 2 feet. 1 to 2 feet of snow in and around the Twin Cities through parts of eastern South Dakota as well. Here is a look at the snow showers passing along the Highway 2 corridor, persistent. Here's what happens as we go through tomorrow. Our next round of snow. Notice most of our viewing area up here has insignificant amounts of snow. There will be a little bit more wind in the southern counties associated with this wave of snow showers. And we could see some significant snow in the far, far south, over 2 inches from, say, Hankinson and point south into Wilkin County, Britton, South Dakota as well. Fargo, Moorhead, maybe another inch or so on top of what we got today. So here's the hour-by-hour forecast. Tonight, temperatures will be very brutal. By morning, we'll be in the teens below zero, and wind chills will be no fun. Here comes that shot of snow drifting through our southern counties. So I-94, Highway 10, and point south will see some snow, but the brunt of this system, as we just showed you, will be south along the South Dakota border. Temperatures peaking in the single digits. And keep in mind, with temperatures this cold, the snowflakes are the dry, light, fluffy variety. So they pile up a lot quicker than that wet, heavy snow, but they also blow around. And this will just reinforce the slippery in our southern counties. So today's snow mainly up north, tomorrow's snow mainly down south, and both really not warning criteria snowfall amounts. Cold air settling in after it. Now, here's a look at the risk of the heaviest snow beginning late Wednesday. So we're talking 3 to 6 o'clock as mentioned earlier. Into Thursday and all day Thursday, there will be snow and wind persisting. So if you are traveling to the cities to root on the Otters, if you're traveling down there to root on the Spuds or Warroad or any area teams, or just traveling down there or south into South Dakota, be advised into Thursday, 1 to 2 feet of snow, highlighting in the areas of white there. That's where the best chance will be, anywhere in this purple and pink. Now, for the dark blue shades here, including Fargo, that's the best chance of 8+. So as I mentioned, Interstate 94, Highway 10, and south. Lower risks of heavy snow immediately north of Fargo. Here's the hour-by-hour close white lines. Those isobars show where the wind really picks up as we go into the wee hours of Thursday morning. All day Thursday, the snowfall potential lasts. The wind continues into Friday as well. So right now, temperatures are 9 degrees. Feels like 13 below. Winds gusting over 30 miles per hour, and temperatures across the region single digits, but much warmer to the east. Visibility down to 0 at times, folks, in open country with the wind and light snow that we have in place. Planning forecast the next 3 days looks to be rough and tumble. First Alert Weather Days there. Now through the weekend, it looks cool more of the mornings, and then temperatures warming up and rebounding into Monday. And now, expanding on that, the 11-day planner showing temperatures that will rise up to near 30 degrees with a little bit more snow in the forecast into next week. We'll keep you posted on that. But our attention, obviously, is the rest of this week. Okay?
Well, like you said, it's such a big travel week. And
it is, yeah.
A lot going on. All right. Thanks, Hutch.
You bet.
Still to come, the newest fitness trend gaining popularity on TikTok.